Okay, students, the formula is based on integration. Integration of x raised to power n with respect to x, that is x raised to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, यानी constant. Second one, integration of ax plus b raised to power n with respect to x, that is ax plus b raised to power n plus 1 upon a into n plus 1 plus constant c. Third one is integration of a raised to power x, and that is a raised to power x upon log a plus c. Integration of e raised to power x with respect to x, that is e power x plus c. Integration of 1 upon x, that is log x, log in mod because log defined for positive values. Next is integration of sin x, this is minus cos x, minus cos x. Integration of cos x, this is sin x plus c plus constant. Next is integration of secant square x, this is tangent x plus c. Next one is here integration of cosecant square x minus cot x plus c. Students, integration of secant x tangent x, that is secant x plus c. Integration of cosecant x cot x, this is minus cosecant x and plus c means constant. Next is integration of tangent x, that is minus log cos x plus c or log secant x plus c. Next is integration of cot x log sin x or minus log cosecant x plus c. Integration of secant x, that is log secant x plus tangent x plus c or log tangent pi by 4 plus x by 2, log tangent pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. Integration of cosecant x dx with respect to x, that is log cosecant x minus cot x plus c or log tangent x by 2. So students, next formula is on integration. Integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square tangent inverse x plus c. Integration of minus 1 upon 1 plus x square that is cot inverse x plus c. Next, integration of 1 upon 1 minus x square root dx sine inverse x plus c. Next one is minus 1 upon 1 minus x square dx, that is equals to cos inverse x plus c. Next students, dx upon x square minus 1, that is secant inverse x plus c. C means constant, as I told you. Next is minus x upon x square minus 1, that is equals to cosecant inverse x plus c. Next students, dx upon x square minus a square, that is 1 by 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Next students, dx upon a square minus x square, 1 by 2a log a plus x, a minus x and plus constant. Next students, next formula is dx upon, either you can say dx yani with respect to x, integration of a square plus x square 1 by a tangent inverse x by a plus c. Okay. Next ones, dx upon a square minus x square root sine inverse x by a plus c. Next is dx upon x square minus a square, that is 1 by a secant inverse x by a plus c. Next students, dx upon x square plus a square root, that is equal to log of x plus x square plus a square and plus c. Next students, yes student, next one is dx upon x square minus a square and root, that is equals to log x plus x square minus a square and root plus c, constant. Next one is dx with respect to x, find out the integration of x square minus a square under root, that is x by 2 x square minus a square plus a square by 2 log x plus x square minus a square plus c, then minus 1. Next is x square plus a square, x by 2 x square plus a square plus a square by 2 log x plus x square plus a square plus c, constant. And last and very important, that is a square minus x square. This is very important formula that is used to solve so many problems. X by 2 a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus c. And these are the formulas, and this one is very important for you. Okay students, thanks.